Sipon din. Got money. Nangaon me. Ayam. Kamu orang dua nagwan? Oh. Agak sexy. Uli ka na, tayo man swimming ito na.
Look, I show you Liam swimming oh.
Okay, Liam, swimming daw, Liam. Ganun ka pala siya, Sarah Jolita. Swim! Swim, swim!
Go!
Ala! Go, Liam! Go, Liam! Yeah, you see, Liam? Uy! Laka, laka! Laka, day! Ano ka lang ulit? Kapahan na siya? Mutong, tasag mutong katay. Ala! Uy, Lian lang ako na-look. Naperte. Ikaw dia, Lian? Ligo ka na? Mag-ilis ka? I want to swim. Baka mo kanina, basa pag-anim ako, may paguman kanina. Mag-ilis ako. Balik na. Bisan nyo siyang panpon silang. Ha? Karon pa. Liam and Lian. Anati Jisa. Swim pa sila. Nag-night swimming. Tugnaw. Tugnaw kayo, be? Tugnaw?
Nope. Warm. You look like Cory and you scared sunburn.
Yun. Muna yung ganang pagligo. Oh, Liam and Lian and Jisa is here. Nag-night swimming. Oh. Go, Liam! Yeah, Liam wants to swim. Yeah.
Liam!
Baga kung may mahadlok, be. Wala mag-biya malunod, be. Kaya na niya? Be! Ako yung nag-hadlok. Go, Liam. Kumbate yun. Nagburami ka, Jisa. Ay, nanggamot siya. Wow, very good. Wow. Mahimo dyan yung kuan, be. Nakadakuan eh. Lupig, Lian, oy. Wow.
Yeah, you wanna show in the camera?
Go, jump. Wow.
Yeah, you jump.
Lian. Palawan ni kan, palaban kag kuan.
It's okay.
Lupig kang Liam mo. Look at here. Hi, enjoying. Diba? Enjoy. Yan si Jisa at si Liam, Ate Gina. Gigi, enjoying. Liam. Nag-night swimming, bisag tugnaw. It's not cold.
I'm gonna get that feet. Give me the feet. I want that feet. Give me some more feet.
Talawan. Ako mga anak, talawan kayo. Lang magbigay na siya.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, baby. We gotta get the kids like that. He's like a little fish.
Yeah.
Go, Liam. Go, Liam. Sige, Liam.
Go.
Go, Liam.
Yep.
Oh, padapin, Liam. Ang cute. Makahadlok kayo siya. Mahadlok ko, be. Maya.
Hey, where did Dan go?
Maya kayo siya mula nga dyan. Kaya ang tiyan dyan yung kapa-kapa.
Oh no, shark! Shark! Oh no! No, no! Help me! He's gonna get me!
Shark! Yes, shark! Shark! Na-enjoy kayo.
Casey, I'm in your belly.
Sana all, ang sweet, sweet. Sweet
No.
sweet naman yan,
No.
Noy. There's many ants here. Many ants. Many ants.
Mini what?
Ants.
Oh, mini ants.
Yeah.
Oh, right
Because
there.
because you both like a sugar.
Oh. It's right there, man. It's Sarah. It's Sarah. Look, lift it up. Lift it up.
Liam, happy birthday, Liam.
Yes, it's strong.
A bit strong.
Want another one? You mix it.
Supportive kayo ng isa, Judo?
Mix the coconut.
Huh?
Look on that tree right there.
It's good.
Good.
No, just need to
It's half and half.
It
Yeah,
needs to
that's
put
it right there.
more coke.
Well, Coke.
Later. I just need a little bit and pour it.
I'll pour some out. You put more Coke.
Oh, yeah. Maybe I can sleep right away.
Right.
Mga ba si Liam?
Liam is busy. You feel cold today? Good, huh? You know this is delicious.
Magkano kayong kilat-kilat, uy.
I had two small, but it'll collect the small pieces that have like the wood.
Ah.
That's too
Lian, bantay ha. Uy, ati, magkano kayong kilat dulog-dug, ti.
This is strong.
Here you go.
Wow.
Oh my
There
goodness.
you go. That's crazy. Why is that like that?
No, there's color in the sky. It's color blue, green. Wala na. It's moving. UFO. Asa UFO?
Because it was over that way a little bit, dude. Look, now
Colorful.
I'll show you. It will move. It will move soon.
Look at that.
Malok man ko mag-video good kay may kilat-kilat ba? Wow, it's colorful.
Hear the sound?
No, color it's green. It's green. Alam mo na, color mo siya. Sky blue. Tinood yun na, be?
Yeah.
Sa dalo. Hi, bebe. Baka nag-UFO, be, ka na, kadri, be?
Oh, they've been visiting the mountains soon.
Yeah? In the mountain? No, nag-colorful siya. Purang kilat-kilat food.
Don't you worry. Everything will be okay. It's more nicer if you're snow clouds.
Oh, yeah? Because then they'll see us and come and pick us up.
Don't worry. Very talented.
Ay, kilat ba? Malok ko sa kilat, oy.
You heard that sound?
Ito kabulog eh. UFO! What is the... Wow, Chixie! What is the meaning of UFO? Universe.
Universe, of course.
Universe. Jeez, ada. Nag-UFO dito. Hi, Liam.
Pasul na.
Mahilig ko si Liam, Nana.
Like this, oh.
Oh, I'm good, big dog. I'm good. I'm going to get out in 2 minutes.
Sipog kilat, oy. Dalugdog. Makadlo kaya, Ate Gina. Nagbasa ra ba ka? Makuanan ka diha. Ang kilat ba? Video yun, oh. Colorful ka siya. Nawala ng color. I think it's from the building.
Like here.
I think that's light from the building.
We never seen lights from there before. We've been up here playing.
So that's the first time in that?
Yeah.
Ah, I see. So that's...
We've never seen lights.
Hey, you. Are you single? Are you single?
No.
Ready to mingle?
Yeah. I'm
Are
ready
you sure?
I have someone special.
Eh.
She's my gift from God.
Eh.
She's my living angel.
Oh.
She's
Eh.
the love of my life.
Eh.
The joy.
Eh.
The sunshine.
Eh.
The magan. The guapo.
Eh.
You haven't met her.
Eh. What? What? I have.
You. You, my love, my life, my
Look at Lian.
life.
They're spying you.
Look at Lian. He's enjoying. Nawala na.
About to beam and stuff.
It's gone. Oh, it's still there. Ako isa natipit. Sa mga kuha natipit nga kuhan. Mga kulay dilig. Kulay mga dilig natipit.
Gani may dulog sa mga susilingan.
Oo.
Gapon.
Ah.
Dito na sa tulog sa papa.
Ah.
Nya, Jess. Ako rin tulog sa akong balay.
Ikaw ra isa ra kinusara na lang ka.
Ano sawa? Jess. Kung ganahan ka, sige sa naman ka.
Wala, kanilang ko na siya mag... Nangan nakipod din.
I got a car.
Got money. Not hard.
Sana all, ang sweet, sweet. Sweet ants naman yan, oy. There's many ants here. Many ants.
Mini what?
Ants.
Oh, mini ant?
Yeah.
Oh, right
because
there?
Yeah, because you both like a sugar.
Oh.
Birthday, Liam. Come here. Happy birthday. Enjoying. Happy birthday, Liam. Gikilig si Liam. Ulit tao na hapit. So, phone din. Ano dyan kayo ulit tao, be? Ah, makaapo na yan si Baby Jisa. Liam. Happy birthday, Liam. How old are you? I'm happy kay kasi mong birthday na. Na-enjoy kayo siya? Wow, wow, wow. Happy birthday. Now, how old are you? I'm 5 years old. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm go swimming.
You're swimming? Not my ears.
We're not here for 3 hours. 3 hours waiting for you.
Go jump, Lian.
Jump! Go! Ow! Jump! Jump!
Go jump.
Right on the eggs. Jump! Jump! Where are you going?
Go.
Let's go! Go playground!
Lian.
It depends on if it's little, yes, you just have to go over and go. But when you're ready, they can do buffet in the you have a little
Kuan mo kanang sa umragi mo cater?
cater, it's catering, a package.
Wow.